Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So recently I kept running into videos and comments about this tasty travels method that supposedly gives you unlimited gems and coins. A bunch of people were saying it works super fast and helps you progress way easier without spending forever grinding recipes and upgrades. At first I thought it sounded way too good to be true, but after seeing so many players talk about it, I decided to try it myself and see what actually happens when you go through the whole process. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I did step by step, test everything in real time, and then we'll open up Tasty Travels together at the end to see if the gems and coins actually show up. The first step was finding my Tasty Travels player ID. So I opened the game, tapped into the settings section, and checked my profile menu. The ID was there almost immediately, so it didn't take long to find it all. After that, I copied it and saved it because you need it for the next part of the process. Up to this point, everything was actually really quick and easy. Next, I opened a browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but I'm pretty sure any browser would do the job. Then I entered the website people have been talking about recently. The site loaded normally without sending me through a bunch of random pages, which surprised me a little. The layout was straightforward and easy enough to figure out. Once I had my player ID ready, I moved on to the next step. I opened up the tool people were talking about and searched for Tasty Travels in the list. It showed up right away, so I selected it and continued. Then I picked my device type. I'm on Android, but I noticed there was also an iPhone option for other players. After that, I pasted in my player ID, double-checked everything just to be safe, and hit continue. So far, the whole thing was pretty straightforward and didn't take much time at all. After that, I had to choose how much of the resource I wanted to add. Since this was supposed to be a real test, I picked one of the higher amounts to see if it would actually make any difference. The site then started showing loading screens and progress animations. It definitely looked convincing, although that alone doesn't really prove anything. Near the end, there was a quick verification step, which is pretty common on sites like this. I already completed that part earlier, so now let's get to the important part. This was the part I was most curious about. After finishing everything, I went back into Tasty Travels and checked my account to see if anything actually changed. I didn't have to do anything extra, no restarting, no waiting around. Everything just loaded in normally. And right away I noticed the gems and coins were already there in my account. I honestly wasn't expecting it to show up that quickly. But yeah. Now you've seen the full test from start to finish, so you can decide for yourself what you think about it. If you've ever tried anything similar in Tasty Travels, drop a comment. I'd be interested to hear if your experience was the same or totally different. And if you enjoy these kinds of mobile game test videos, leave a like and subscribe, because I'll probably be checking out more stuff like this soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.